Hi guys, take two. Let's see. Left a
I'ma
little bit
blow your mind. 200 miles an hour, I gotta make my time. Got me running super late, but I can't think about it. Living in the fast lane.
And there she misfires.
Gasoline and diesel's the fuel that I live
And
for.
yeah, the way she idles.
Knocking, knocking at my door. Money, glamour, and cars, oh yeah. 'Cause we living in the fast lane, the fast lane.
So she does misfire now after cooling off a little bit.
Moving so fast, you think I'm running with the devil. I'm more like moving like a bat out of hell. No, I'm not exaggerating when I tell you.
You can also see from the idle the engine shakes. Rev it up a little bit. There's our misfire. I'm gonna stop here. Gonna go see if I can buy a new coil pack, put it on, and I'm gonna post it once I put it again. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Thank you.